Hey guys, Glenn Murray, GlenMurrayOnline.com. How are you tonight? It is Tuesday. Just got back from soccer practice, and we're going to jump into this 500 daily make money online with Facebook. Simple Facebook hack. I'm going to show you exactly how to make money from your pages and your groups. If you haven't got a Facebook page, go get one. If you don't have a Facebook group, start one. What kind of Facebook group? Start whatever interests you. And if you like videos on how to make money, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the notification. Check out our other channel, Review Hub, where we do more product reviews kind of thing. This is more kind of get behind the scenes and look over my shoulder and see what I'm doing. The other one we do videos on review. Make sure you subscribe. And okay, so let's jump into this. What am I talking about? Make Facebook pages, groups. What are you talking about, Glenn? So a great place to do to market is Facebook, but you got to be really smart on Facebook because they're always changing the algorithms, and advertising is really tough. I get my Facebook account shut down at least 3 times a year because I'm pushing the limits. I'm posting into groups. I'm posting things that one day it's totally fine, the next day it's not, and then the next day it is. So Facebook just kind of like, it's random stuff. So you got to kind of learn how to do it. And what you want to do is you want to start out slowly. I highly recommend using your phone. Your phone, for some reason, the Messenger app on your phone doesn't get flagged for as much stuff as the laptop Facebook. So that's really interesting. I notice if I try to do sharing the groups from Facebook, I can only share a couple, and then Facebook gets, oh, you're doing this too fast, or you're doing whatever. But if I do it from my phone, I can get away with a lot more. Same with messaging people. If I try to message people directly through my laptop, I get flagged like immediately. People are like, hey. But when I do it on my phone, it tends to just basically go through a lot better. So let me bring up. I'm going to just bring up my Facebook here. Let me find it, and I'll just kind of show you some of the things that that I do on here. Let me go here. Oh shoot. I get a lot of messages, guys. and a lot of friend requests and stuff like that. So let me just go to my page there. Leave page. I don't know what I was posting there. So what do I have? I have a bunch of pages. I have different pages. I have pages for some of the network marketing products that I've done, that I'm still involved with. I have a business page of my own. So if I go to my profile, basically I use my profile and I use one main business page. And how I do this, and I'll show you what it is. So here's a great way, just so you know, this is just an added bonus. When you set up your profile, your Facebook profile, this is super important. Make sure you have a current picture of you, bright, not darkened, not hiding your face, smiling like a natural smile, not a grimace, not like a but like go and just take a picture. Like, we have so many devices that can take pictures now. Take a smiling picture of yourself, put up something that means something to you in your header. Like these are two of my daughters. That's Cadence and Calliope, from the summertime. We just went out for a walk. I love this picture of them. It captures who they are. They're so cool. I put up a little bit of my advertising on here. You don't have to. I don't do a lot of advertising on my Facebook feed, as you notice. Really sad about Kobe Bryant dying. I actually just found out that a guy I toured with back in the 90s died. If you guys are Corrosion of Conformity fans, Reed Mullen died just recently. He was the drummer. We had a great time touring with him and Tool and Rage Against the Machine. It was really fun times. So I put up stuff. This is a sad thing about Kobe. This is Chinese New Year's. Some more Chinese New Year stuff. This is my daughter Josephina and I for breakfast after soccer. We just had a big snow here. My wife does these amazing memes. I'm trying to convince her to do a training on Canva because she's so good at it. This snow day. So guys, see, I don't advertise a lot. I used to, but I learned I don't do a bunch of advertising on my wall. Once in a while I do a live, but generally for the most part it's just a peek into my life. Do you guys know what tadik is? This is the rice dish with the potatoes. So good. There's my youngest one, Cadence I, on a Wednesday, Whopper Wednesday date. Okay, so that's my feed. So guys, but this is so important. Make sure you're real. Make sure you're friendly. And then down here in the intro, you can get away with a little bit of advertising right there, right? This is one of my favorite products to advertise. It just helps people. It's about getting more sales. It shows that I'm a salesperson, that I'm into digital marketing and stuff. And if people basically, online entrepreneur helping you get more sales, online free gift. So it's just a thing to get more gifts, to get more sales. Sorry guys, my messenger just popped up there. So basically, what I want to show you though is work with Glenn Murray. So this over here, my work with Glenn Murray, is this is my business page. This is where I put all my stuff. This is where I put this is my sort of my billboard. So again, it's still a real picture of me, and it's a picture of my family, and a bit, but it's a bit more towards like, here guys, we're here to do business here. And what I mainly post here is I post videos, my video stuff from YouTube. I post my videos here, and then I do lives in here, and I share these. So I share from here into groups that I belong to, right? So I'll share from my page. I'll share it over to a group, or I'll tag my page in all the groups that I go into. So if I go into see if I can find some of the advertise. So just type in advertise. I'm gonna go to groups, and I'm gonna go click here, my groups. These are groups that I belong to. Now these are some of the groups where I advertise. Now the thing is, guys, I don't advertise an affiliate link here. I want people to reach out and contact me because I want to have a conversation with them. I'm not going to go into these groups and post a link. I will post a link to my video. I'll say, hey, here's a link on how to make money on Facebook, how to make money with your Facebook groups and pages, because I don't want to because when you start advertising directly here in these groups, I know you're going to see a ton of it, and tons of people do it. Facebook shuts those accounts down after a while, or people just get tired of looking at it all the time. So when I go into something like one of these groups here, I'll show you what I post. A lot of times, if I'm in a hurry, I just post my latest video. I'll put like, hey, what are you waiting? Are you ready to get started? And I put the link to the video. It shows the thumbnail, and then I'll also tag my page in it. Now, guys, I get a ton of engagement with these posts. I get people, going over to my YouTube and watching my YouTube video, but I also get people messaging me like all the time. It's I'm like, hey, thank you. Like just, what was the one that just came in here? Always looking for opportunities. Thanks, Glenn. Just this stuff is happening all the time. I'm always getting these things. So this is So this guy is putting in a direct link to GDI. Now, if you've been around, like GDI is like, anyway, if you're in a GDI, good on you, but it's not my thing. So basically, if I search my name here, let's see what comes up. Just sort of search and see what. Right there, advertise your networking thing. So this is one. This is one. See, here it is. Hey, it's Glenn, struggling to make money online. Get paid $10 for selling a $7 product over and over. I want to do it. So I want them to message me directly. The link is actually to my Facebook page or my other Facebook page. I don't link out to the product because I want them to go over to my Facebook page and engage with me there. Because think about it, when you're going to sell something, you want to have that conversation first to make sure that they're going to go opt in and get onto your email list. You don't want to just send them a direct link. If I just dropped a direct link in here, I would have no idea how this is doing or if I'm getting any traction on it, because it's just going to a page, right? So I want to make sure that I can justify or sort of track what these people are doing. This one here, are you ready for a change this year? YouTube, work with Glenn Murray, right? That's it. So they have to go to YouTube to see this. Need more leads? Drop your link or message on how to get 30 to 40 leads every day, right? And it's about getting the conversation going. This is how you guys market on here. This is how you do attraction marketing. You make statements that pique curiosity and people reach out to you. if you just throw up affiliate links, you're just like everybody else is just throwing up affiliate links, and you're not going to make money that way. And guys, it's this simple. You don't have to spend a lot of time on Facebook, because if you have your notifications turned on, when someone starts to message you, that means they're open. They're open to your opportunity. If they want to pitch you, they're going to pitch you. I'm just usually polite when people are pitching me. I'm like, sure, send me your thing. I'm pretty frank. It's like, I'm not looking for anything, but if you want to send me a link, that's fine. But I'm really not looking for anything. My hands are full. When I'm in the market to go look for something, I actually don't come to Facebook to look for it. I'm more likely to be researching it in blogs and on YouTube, and finding out what people are doing on YouTube and looking for stuff there. I'm not looking on Facebook for opportunities. But that being said, so many people are on Facebook, open to opportunities. I don't think they're necessarily looking for opportunities, but they're open to opportunities. So guys, that is basically let me get back here. Like, that is the easiest way. It's a simple hack. Make sure your profile is set up correctly. Get a Facebook page, join some groups, and then use your Facebook page to post something, and then share your Facebook page's post into those groups. That is the best way to do it, because you're always drawing people back to your Facebook page. You want people to come back to that Facebook page where they're going to come back and see what you do, and that's where you can talk about yourself and get your stuff out there. Because so many times I'll see someone like they'll post a link in an ad like that. You look at, so I'll click on their profile, look at their profile. All that's in their profile is just links to this product. There's nothing about them. I'm like, is that even a real person? Or they don't have a picture of themselves, right? There's just it's an image, or it's something. You're not gonna make any money, guys. That's just like it's like trying to do business without doing business, or you just look completely amateur. So if you want to do that, this is how I recommend doing it. Now, what are you going to make money, and what's the best thing to start making money with online? Education, guys. Digital products. You want to be making you want to be not making, but selling digital products and referring people to digital products. So the first click down below here, I want you to check out. It is a digital training product. It's good for any business. You want to learn how to market online. You definitely want to take that one. Go to my Facebook page, like it, and make sure you check out the link there. About getting more sales, attraction marketing. Learn that. I can get you set up for a 2-week trial with that program for just $1, and there's actually a bundle that you can keep that will amazing. I'm also setting up. I'm still trying to get it set up. I've got a whole bunch of products that I purchased that I can give away and sell. So I'm making those products right now, just with our pay per call program campaigning that we're doing right now. I'm pretty busy on that, so I haven't had a lot of time to do that, but I'll make time. And also I don't like to work all the time, so I gotta find where I can put my hours in. So hopefully that's super helpful for you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Check out the link below. If you have any questions, message me. Make sure you go onto Facebook. I'm almost at 5,000 friends, so follow me. Go to my Facebook page, Work with Glenn Murray, and like it or follow that, and you will see what I'm doing. And just copy what I'm doing, guys. Just copy what I'm doing, right? Post daily on your Facebook page. Bring value, teach something, and then share that into the other business groups, because everyone over there is pitching while you're providing value. You're like, hey, I'm going to show you how to do this, I'm going to show you how to do that. The other ones are like, join my opportunity, join my opportunity, join my opportunity. No, I'm like, hey, I'll show you how to do this, I'll show you how to do that. So that's what it is, guys. I will talk to you later. Cheers.